Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be driving around the, we're not driving, actually, like, we're doing another outlaws videos. And yeah, I'm gonna be playing with my cousin, CS Moto, and we'll actually, we're calling, because we are actually in different houses. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe, and here we go.
We're actually over the phone right now, if you guys can hear me loud and clear. So we're just going to be making some cool trucks, cars, dirt bikes. We don't really know yet. We're just going to be driving them around.
Okay, this is my vehicle. We're just doing my cousin's gonna be doing what are you gonna be doing are you gonna have a swap call?
Truck.
Okay, so he's gonna have a swap.
Yeah. I'm gonna have an old F-150.
He's gonna have an old F-150. I have a, looks like it looks like an older Mustang. And I just bought this from the Corso, the Corso, because I didn't really want to build something right now. But yeah, I'm gonna be taming the Cuddle. I don't really like the Cuddle, so yeah, I'm gonna tame that too. I feel like it would look pretty good with a Granus. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. It looks pretty good. I would say. Okay, I'm hopping on it. The code is 8444. Okay, I'm joining. Alright, and I would say I haven't been posting for I haven't posted in 5 days. It's just I really forgot to post, but now I'm gonna start posting. Maybe I will have some maybe I'll see video tomorrow. I don't know. We may have there might be another outlaws videos, but yeah, I don't really know. We might. I'm probably gonna have an OC video, but yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna have to go to him. So I don't know where he is. I'm gonna try to find him. This has a lot of power. It's really slippery, but.
Driveway over here.
Oh, he's in the driveway. Oh. I feel like this thing doesn't have too much power. It's like a decent thing. I mean, it's it doesn't have too much power. It has I feel like it hasn't been tuned in like that yet. And what wheels is? Oh, but it's because it has some sweet wheels or something like that. Not sweet, but Oh, and my cousin doesn't look too bad. It doesn't actually look bad. He has the F-150 stickers on. Let me hop. As you guys can, oh crap! I just saw it by accident. As you guys can see, it looks. I'm right here. As you guys can see, it looks super good.
Some pretty cool badges, F-150, V8, Power Stroke badge. Then you come to the back here, you got the nice Ford logo, then Ford on the bottom right of the tailgate, and locally hated. It's just on a bunch of trucks.
Yeah. Alright, and that looks pretty good. Okay, now we're just gonna be riding around. I haven't played this in probably a week. Oh crap.
Yeah, me too.
Crap. Oh crap. Oh, why not?
This isn't real. It looks like from what I looked at, it looks like there was actual roads. We just need to find them.
Yeah, because I have a low down Mustang that is on some weird tires. Oh crap, and I'm slipping out and I just hit a switch. Okay.
I found it. It's right here.
Come on. Crap, I have to throw down. Okay. I have no, like, yeah. Okay, so now we're just gonna go. Okay, I just go. I just went way ahead of my cousin. I just hit a sign. I'm stuck. What? I'm stuck.
Need help?
I'm finding 4. Let me find 4.
Oh, well, you're a lower car, Kate. Anyway, I'm gonna try and push you.
Oh, he just went way over that. Okay, I'm hitting nice whip. Go back. Uh-oh. This is... Wait. Maybe get out. Crap. It's bottomed out. Okay. Okay, this is not going as planned. I'm in low. I'm in low gear now. I'm in diff lock. I got it. You got it. I literally just got out. And where are we gonna go now? The sliding wheel now?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're just sliding around. Oh, I could beat. Oh, he thinks that he could win. Oh, I'm about to beat you in backwards. What? Wow, look at my cousin. Look how he does. Like, how I don't even know how he just got in that problem. Oh, he's doing some black smoke. Climbing up the tree now. And what's up? You don't?
No. I'm not making it anyway. I'm gonna have to respawn.
Alright, well, I'm leaving you. Bye-bye.
Wait for me.
Fine, I'll wait. What off-road outlaws can add is you could do some burnouts. That would be pretty cool. But they don't do that yet. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. I don't really know. Okay? This is what's nice is how fast it takes off. It does pretty cool. Oh, crap, that's the wheel. Oh, let me see. Will is... Oh, yep, I see him. Oh, there you are. Yep, there he is. Oh, he's blowing black smoke. I think he's stuck. Let me try giving you a... What did he just do? Oh, well, yeah. You're close already? Alright, he's here. Oh, now I'm gonna go faster than him. Okay, let's waste. Let's waste. Oh, crap, he's cruising. I'm hitting nice with, oh! Did you just see that? He's all the way down now. Look at him now. He's all the way down. How did you manage to do that? Oh, you did it!
Oh, you want to do that, huh?
I just fell off the slack. I'm back on now.
No. Yeah. This is so unfair, a big
Yeah. I just fell. Okay, guys. I am just on now. I cannot get back in the slack. I'm trying to get back. Got it. I got back in. Yes, guys, I got back in. Okay, Nate. What do you say, Nate?
Watch this.
Alright, so this... Oh, diesel smoke. Oh, he's on that wheel. There he goes. Flipping it.
And I'm all up.
You could climb right over it.
Yes, sir.
I have a smoke that's like that.
I'm gonna get
He's gonna do edit. Alright, guys. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm doing the burnout. I'm doing the burnout. Oh! Look at all the white smoke.
Do you need help?
Yeah, I'm stuck. I think I'm about to burn the tires off this thing. Yeah, no way I'm getting out of this.
I'll give you the burnout.
I'm really just giving you backfire. I got to see this.
Serious?
This does a lot of backfire.
Okay,
Oh, and there was him with all his black smoke and I'm with all my white smoke. Oh, not anymore. Because I put in death rocks. Now it is. No, still not. Still not. Well, it's not doing any wheels anymore. It's better. Sorry.
It's either really windy or windy.
It was us waiting at my house. It's guys, it's been waiting for a long time. So if I do post a video tomorrow with all seeds, it is gonna be a very good video. With the 4 wheels, we went out riding yesterday with the 4 wheels, and we had this. My cousin got a new 4 wheel. He has 2 of them now. A Yamaha Kodiak 700, and then he had the Suzuki Iga 400. And we went out riding yesterday, and they went through this like really muddy hole, and also my cousin's CS Moto, he had the CS Moto 600, and we went out riding yesterday, and they went through this muddy hole, but none of them got stuck, and they went through it easy. But what I'll see is this muddy. But I don't want to get distracted, so I'm going to go back to the video. Okay, guys, well, I'm stuck in a tree right now. And look how much backfire. No, I'm stuck in a tree right now, but I'm going to have to respawn. Like, I'm going to respawn right now.
Okay, respawn. Wait, hold on. Here, respawn again.
Oh, I am respawning again. Okay, now we're gonna just cruise around. I'm not gonna use an ice so I don't fling off the swag or anything. So yeah, and this is a 2-lane road, so you have the right side and I have the left side. I'm the horrible driver. Crap! Why does my thing want to do wheelies? I don't know why my thing wants to. What?
This is a rocky path.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so now we're going down a rocky path with a lower down corner. I'm probably going to get stuck. That is some mud. Oh, crap. Go. I can't make it up there. That's why I'm full. Crap. Okay. What the? Okay. So I'm gonna slide this. Yeah, I will sit up. But then I'm like, maybe not. Oh, crap. Oh, and I'm probably gonna be stuck up this. You did? Oh, I made it. Okay, now I'm upside down. Yeah, I really think it is. I don't really know. It's like, it looks like it's meant for like crawlers.
But then it looks like it's off and it just looks like a place.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like this is like a swell. But then some rocks, so I don't really know. That would be like, it still looks like real life. This would be a fun place for like all seas that feels like real life.
Yeah. Oh, I think it's meant to be a trail, actually, now.
Yeah.
I just had a full-on, like, brakes and everything.
Yeah.
You feel my black smoke?
Yep, I can. I'm gonna put mine in no-go. Mine's just doing, like, sword must backfire. Yeah, this is definitely a swill. Move out of my way.
I don't want to get the clean truck muddy. Come on, Dana. I'm pulling out of your way. Go.
Guys. Okay, now. Oh crap! Mine just has too much power. If you get stuck, I can't pull you out. I don't think anybody's got a win. Uh oh. Wait. Crap, mine is getting a little muddy. Oh crap! Okay, look how muddy mine is.
Here, I don't even know if one gets money anymore. Let's go mud bogging.
Okay.
I'm in low gear right now. Bro, this is a good trail. We should save this map.
Yeah, this is a good swim. Oh crap, you're going deep. Oh my, look at his back. Wow, pretty. This is actually pretty fun. I mean, okay, now let's go into here. Let's see what this does. And now we'll back to the road. So yeah. So we just ride now continues. It continues now. Luckily I have some like off-road tires on it. But it's...
We've been here before because it's all muddy.
Oh yeah, we have. We haven't been through that. Oh, that's a dead end. I'm in forwards while I'm just going for this. It's like pretty good. I mean, it's only going 17 miles per hour through the mud. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed, like and subscribe. There will be more swills like this, but maybe next time I'll actually have a swap instead of a lower down Mustang. Well, it's actually pretty cool to have. It's like pretty fun actually to have it. It'll go like 16 through the mud, like 16 miles per hour through the mud. And I don't know, I might use it again or I might not. I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed, like and just yeah.
Let's get him to 50 subscribers by the end of for the next 2 months.
I feel like I can get to that. Yeah.
Next 2 months, 50 subscribers. And if you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe.
And
here's CF Mutter out.
Yep. He has like 110 subscribers. So yeah, I don't want to get flashbacked. So if you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe and peace out later.